Welcome to Frywall Fridays. It's no secret that we try to keep things simple here and create recipes that are very easy for you to make at home. But I think this is our easiest recipe ever. Kimchi fried rice. There's no chopping block, there's no knife. We just grabbed a bunch of stuff from the fridge, or even just a few things from the fridge, and we're gonna start cooking. The one magic ingredient is kimchi, Korean fermented cabbage. You can find it in a lot of places now, but if you want to make it on your own, come back next week and we'll share our recipe. But for now, let's look over the ingredients and get going. And here's all we have to cook with. A few cups of rice left over from yesterday. Actually really important for fried rice to use rice that's been previously cooked and cooled. A couple eggs, half a cup of peas straight out of the freezer, and then our kimchi, about a cup and a half. And that's it, some oil and soy sauce. Let's get cooking. I have my pan nice and hot, and I'll put in a little bit of vegetable oil. And first, in go the eggs. I'll scramble these till they're well done. And then they're gonna come out into a bowl. Next, I'm gonna add some more vegetable oil and toss in the rice. At this point, the rice is pretty clumpy, so I will break it up, press it with the back of a spoon, keep on tossing it around, breaking it up. And it's going to take a couple of minutes till the kernels or the grains are more or less separated. And once they are, I can move on to the next step. So the grains are more or less separated at this point. If there's a couple small clumps, that's okay. And I'll go ahead and toss in my kimchi and my peas. And we'll start to saute these around a little bit and let everything get combined and allow the kimchi to warm up and the peas also to cook. Alright, we can squeeze in a little bit of soy sauce. I got about a teaspoon and a half in there. Give that a good turn, and then we're going to throw in our eggs back in and mix that up. At this point, I'm going to take a spoon and give this a taste. Depending on how salty your kimchi is, you may or may not need to add a little bit of salt. This tastes perfect, so I think we're good as it is. And we're basically done. Let's eat. That was quick even by our standards. I think that took a total of maybe 5 minutes on the stove. And here we have it. And my God, this is smells really, really good. And I don't know, pretty special dish, very easy to make, and a real crowd pleaser. And that's going to be enough, I think, for a meal for probably 3 and a side dish for maybe 6. Kimchi fried rice. Enjoy.